Hey guys, I'm Cosplay, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I made my Harley Quinn roller derby helmet from Birds of Prey. So for this you're going to need a base helmet. I got this cheap on eBay. Also need some caution tape and some thicker yellow tape if yours is thin like mine, and some grey duct tape. You'll need the pigtails for this, which I used an old Suicide Squad wig and just cut them off. And some acrylic paint in black, white and red. And the paintbrushes and a palette for the paints. So to get started, I'm just going to cover the helmet in the caution tape, just leaving a few little black areas. Mine's quite thin, so I've had to buy the thicker yellow tape to stick it over, and this kind of gives it the effect that I'm looking for. The caution tape isn't as wide as hers, but I think it still looks pretty good. And this is how it's looking after most of it's on. No pattern to it, just go crazy. Found it easier to add the thick tape first, and then I added the thin tape over the top. This is quite tricky. I was trying to do it really neatly, but I failed, so it looks a bit of a hot mess, but I think it kind of works. And that's it. It looks pretty cool so far. Next I'm going to add on the black stars. I wish I'd done this after I'd added the pigtails because they are in the wrong place, but it still looks pretty good. Next I will add the red outline to them, like so. And then I'm going to go in and do the white outline. This makes it look really cool, I think, and really makes them stand out. Next I'm going to add the pigtails, making sure they're in the correct sides with the duct tape. And that's it. As I said, it's not perfect, the stars are in the wrong place. I did find it easier to hot glue the pigtails down first before putting the duct tape on. And hopefully I'll do a makeup tutorial at some point once I've got all the makeup. And that's it. Hope you liked it. Bye for now.